to hear it read aloud. Follow along and read out loud. Press the B to hear it sneeze. Do it as many times as you please. If you look around, surprises will be found. Bees, Louise, and things that sneeze.